Ben. I'm here with a repair video. Tell you the scenario. We've got our Greenworks 40-volt mower here, 17-inch. We're quite happy with it. However, my wife hit a rock with it, which in itself is unnotable. Happens, right? You hit things. But then just shortly after that, it stopped running and it would not start. Fully charged battery, press the button, pull the lever, nothing happens. So of course I went to YouTube, because all the good people go to YouTube to figure out what's wrong with this thing. Is it the switch, or is there a circuit breaker missing somewhere? There was a video that said, well, it could be the brushes. I'm like, well, you know, we're not dealing with a lot of technology here. It's a battery, a switch, and a motor. Maybe it is the brushes. So to open up the nose of this thing, and that's all I did, is there's 6 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, that you see there, and there I think just a star bit. And I popped open, whoops, I also had the battery out at the time. We'll pull this thing out. Hard to do with the hand. There we go. Okay. If you lift up the nose, and the back handle here would probably need to be removed for it to work best. But if you look underneath here, there is a motor. And it contains brushes. They're carbon brushes, and they're spring-loaded against that copper that you see right there. So when the device spins, it puts electrical power, and there you go. And on this side right here, I can't pull it out, thankfully. Oh, yes, I can. See this part that pulls out right here? That's one of those spring brushes, and they're supposed to be inserted, and then they're kind of crimped in, and so they don't move. But I guess one of the things that these mowers happens is that the vibration of its operation backs that brush off. Now there's a spring that pushes the brush against the armature there and keeps it in contact, but eventually it will get so far out that it won't touch anymore, and the mower stops running. So you'll need to pop the top and shove it back in there. Now I'm just going to push it in because it does have quite a bit of friction. If it happens again though, we'll do a video of a proper takeoff of the top, and then we'll essentially just glue them in. They're not really a maintenance part. They shouldn't have to be there. Geez, they're almost 3 inches long, so it really has to come out for it to come out. But it looks like it's a manufacturing issue, which is an easy fix, so I don't mind fixing it. But just something to know, if your Greenworks doesn't start, it doesn't seem to be an apparent issue. There's no blockage of the blade. The switch seems, you know, it's relatively new. Pop open the top, take a look, and see if you've got any of those little pieces that are sticking out. Just push them back in, and that should be setting you on your way. If you got any questions, please feel free to ask. Subscribe to our channel, Red Barn Homestead, and you guys have a good day.